Hi everyone, hope you're all well and keeping nice and safe. Today's lesson is going to be our first one for science, and this term we're going to be exploring push and pull. So in and around your home you can look at push and pull through all different ways, whether it's in your kitchen looking at pushing and pulling, your fridge open and closed, in your bedroom putting clothes away, opening and closing the shower door, or looking at toys, which is what we'll be looking at today. So let's have a look at our lesson. Throughout the lesson you may need to pause the video at certain points, so please do that. There are some promptings on the slides which have been bolded in yellow. So the very first thing is that when we're exploring push and pull, we are looking at objects in and around our home that can be pushed, so pushing away from us, or being pulled, so pulling something behind us like a trolley or a toy. Something that you might push, like I said, could be the trolley. If you're pushing it to someone, or rolling a ball, that could be pushing. Or if you're pulling, again, dad or mum might be on the tractor and pulling something behind them. So thinking about those different objects and how we live in and around our home. Looking at these toys, we've got a car, we've got a pinwheel, we've got a ball, a red trolley and a bear. I want you to think about, do these toys push, so pushing away? Do they pull, or can they do both? So pausing this video for you to discuss those. How'd you go? Did you get it right? So we can see here that the ball was a push, because you can push it away from you, as well as a pull. The car, also a push and a pull, because you can push it as well as pulling it towards you. And your pinwheel, which you'll be making in the next lesson, is also a push and pull. The pull on its own is the red trolley, and the bear is something that you can push. So all of these need force for you to do these. It's not something that will happen on their own. So I want you to again pause this video and think about finding a toy that you can push, find a toy that you can pull, and this is a challenge. Find a toy that you can push and pull, and you might like to draw those in your book or your journal that's been sent home with you. Okay, next is an activity where you need to create a ramp. Now you might like to create a ramp out of a piece of wood at home. You might like to create a ramp using some cardboard or some paper that you've put together. You might like to put something along the stairs going down outside. That might be a ramp as well. You need to find a few toys that you can push. They don't necessarily need to be something with wheels, but finding something that you can push down and putting them in order from the fastest to the least fastest. So putting them down one by one. You might like to use a stopwatch to think about how quick or how slow they go down the ramp. So again, pausing this video to go out and do that activity. And the last thing for me to check your understanding of push, pull, or both push and pull is to complete this activity. Now there's lots of different jobs on here that we can see that we do on a daily basis, whether it's the toddler pulling the mum's dress, whether it is someone pushing some materials up into a truck, whether it's a robot pulling or pushing something away. I want you to have a think about these daily objects and write them on the worksheet below. If you don't have access to a printer, that's okay. Just list the activity and how that action can be made, whether it's a push or a pull. That's it from me today. Have a great lesson. Have fun enjoying push and pull forces. See you later. Bye.